Hey y'all, I'm here with another bbcrafts.com video. Today I'm using these little cabochons that you can get. These are gemstone cabochons, and I selected one that I really liked, but they're really hard to choose. Look at them. I think this is one of my favorites too. It's kind of, I got a, it's much lighter than what you see on the camera. This is more of the emerald look. There's some pinkish white stones, some clear. There's some that are white, some that have an opalescent blue tint to them, some turquoise, cat's eye, and other stones. And so what I've done is I've taken one of them and I have put it on the just directly onto some this is a choker wire, and I put it here with some hematite beads. And I thought the hematite was just enough of a reflection to mimic reflecting balls with the turquoise, and I thought that had a very nice feeling associated with it, because this turquoise is very special to Native Americans, and so the two together I thought that just suited me to a T. Then I used these butterflies, and these are the small golden butterflies, but they are just so sweet. Look at that detail. Okay, so I used one of those because it has special meaning to my family. And I used one of the blue tone flowers. I'm getting it situated over here. I can't show you exactly what's going on. And you know my hands, they don't tend to work like they're supposed to. But here we go. Here we go. I can show you a little bit, but not a lot. But I have a little charm here on a ribbon that has one of the blue tone with that gold butterfly. And you'll actually get to see what this ribbon is attached to at a later date. But I will show you a sneak peek at the end of this video. So if you're interested in mini albums, oops, did I give it away? Then at the very end of this video, you will see a little sneak peek photo of that. So again, if you are interested in these products or any of the other products that I have showcased, you can visit bbcrafts.com and find them there. I remind you to be careful of where you are selecting the item to be shipped from. You can choose it to be shipped from, or some items are shipped from the US and some are shipped from China. The ones from China, you will have to wait 30 to 40 days, and the ones from the US, 3-4 days usually. So I will be back again very soon with another project, and I hope to see you soon. Please like and subscribe. Bye.